It takes 7 days for an Aedes mosquito egg in stagnant water to become an adult Aedes mosquito. The water has to be clean, and only a thin film, no thicker than a 20-cent coin, is all that is required for the Aedes mosquito to breed in. Its growth begins from an egg to a larvae to a pupae and finally to an adult. An adult mosquito can live for about 2 to 3 weeks. Only the female Aedes mosquito will bite to extract blood in order to support the production of eggs. If the blood meal is insufficient, she will keep biting until she has enough blood. On an average, she produces 3 to 4 batches of eggs in her lifetime and about 70 to 80 eggs per batch. Male mosquitoes feed on plant juices and do not bite, as they do not need to suck blood. In its search for blood, the female Aedes is attracted to carbon dioxide, body odor, and body heat. With less than 5% of the skin being blood vessels, the mosquito searches for them by probing the skin with her proboscis. Once a blood vessel is found, the female Aedes mosquito freezes and starts drawing blood from it. She will release salivary secretions to prevent the blood from clotting, allowing the mosquito to feed efficiently. It is this mosquito saliva that will cause the itchy red lumps in the victim. The amount of blood a female mosquito can take at one time can be up to 4 times its own weight. And to fit all the blood in her stomach, she will discharge the liquid content of the blood from her abdomen. Having taken a full blood meal, the Aedes mosquito will find a place to rest before looking for a suitable habitat to lay her eggs. When that is done, she will look for her next host again. When a person has a dengue virus in his bloodstream, the female Aedes will suck in the virus with the blood. It will take another 7 to 12 days for the virus in the Aedes mosquito to reach her salivary glands. Once the virus has reached the salivary gland, she will be able to transmit the virus to other human hosts. The risk of dengue transmission with the possibility of a dengue outbreak occurs when the infected mosquito begins to bite many hosts.